Alright, I'm setting the stage. These are the two dogs. Pretty unassuming, huh? Well, that's just great. I came home from the bank and discovered this. Awesome. Awesome. Somebody got in the garbage. Pretty nice, huh? Let's see who's the most remorseful. Ginger, come here. What is this? What is this? What is this? Are you burying your head? What is this? I can still see the rest of you, you know. What happened? What is this? Are you ashamed? Are you very ashamed? I would say she's ashamed.